Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify using authentication and admin security. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Shopify, you'll first need to create a Shopify partner account. Head to the Shopify partner website and click on Join Now. Fill out the necessary information to set up your account. Once your account is created, log into your Shopify partner dashboard. From the dashboard, create a new app by selecting Apps and then create app. Choose Custom App to generate the app for your specific needs. Fill in the required details such as app name and app URL. Make sure to set the permissions for your app based on the functionalities you need. After setting up your app, save the settings. Next, you'll need to generate API keys. Navigate to the app settings and locate the API credentials section. Create an API key and API secret key. Keep these keys secure, as they are essential for your authentication process. Now, you'll implement OAuth for authentication. Take note of the OAuth authorization URL provided by Shopify. Redirect users to this URL for authentication. They'll be prompted to authorize your app to access their store data. Upon successful authorization, users will be redirected back to your app with a code. Use this code to request an access token. Send a post request to Shopify's access token endpoint with the required parameters. If successful, you will receive an access token. This token will allow your app to make authenticated requests. Store the access token securely for future use. With the access token, you can now access the Shopify API. Always ensure to check token validity and handle errors in your requests. Regularly update your app's permissions as needed. By following these steps, you'll have a solid authentication mechanism for your Shopify app. This process ensures your application remains secure while accessing store data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.